Almighty for having blessed us with this day and blessed the people of our state with this wonderful and great institution. I also would like to sincerely apologize to all of you for having made all of you wait out here for almost more than an hour. I can assure you I am mostly on time. I reached Mokurwat on time as per my schedule, but due to different circumstances, certain other programs, I was not able to reach to this program on time. But I'm so thankful to all of you for having waited for us, and also would like to take this opportunity to wish the school and each and every one of you, the principal, the vice principal, the past principals and faculty, the past students, each and every one of you, a very happy 50th year or Golden Jubilee that we are celebrating today of the Nativity Higher Secondary School, Mokurwat. On March 15th, 1974, the then parish priest, Father Aaron, had established this particular school. Along with Bar Brixius Marwin, I'm told he is present out here. It would be my honor to felicitate him if our principal would allow after my speech. And also Bar Elucius Nonglang. When 50 years back, they had taken this decision and started the school, resolution was passed, and faithfuls from Nonglang, Molenweer, Moranglang village, and all the other villages had come together and under a very, very small room started the journey of this wonderful and great institution. And I'm sure Barbrixius and others who have seen the journey of this school from where it began to where it is today, there must be a sense of deep satisfaction in your hearts to see what this institution has become. Because it's not just about the buildings that we have built, not about the playgrounds that you have built, but the lives that you have touched. The students who have come out of this institute, the way they have become responsible citizens of our state and of our country. And today are contributing at different positions, at different levels, for the benefit of society and for the benefit of the state as a whole. I'm sure all the past faculty, principals will see that contribution and will have a very, very deep sense of satisfaction to see what they have contributed to society. The very best. I wish this school the very best. I think 50 years, we have learned a lot. I hope, Father, that the plans for the next 50 years can be made. Whenever I come to programs like these, I tell everybody that we should have a big vision. So 50 years have gone. I'm sure when the founders had started the school at that time, I don't think they could ever imagine that it would reach here. But it has reached to this point. But now the question is, where do we go from here? What is your next vision? Is this going to become a college one day? Is it going to become a university one day? Are you going to open up a center of excellence to be having maybe an agriculture college, which will be one of the best in the country, maybe a tourism college, which will be one of the best in the country. I think you should dream big. I think you should have a large vision. I think you should have something that can be set for the next 50 years. And I really urge, not just you, Father, I think everybody. I was in the college program in the morning, and really I would urge the college. I was listening to their plans of having, I think, 80 acres of land for the college. 30 acres of land. And it's a great vision that you're having to build up, a large institute, because, that's how organizations grow. That's how institutions grow. That's how countries and nations grow. And therefore, I urge our principal, in my concluding remarks, to plan, not just look at the last 50 years, but learn from it and set the target for the next 50 years, or where you would like to see this institute reach. So I wish you all the very best. May God bless this institute. May God bless all the students and all the faculty members, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Matela, and Jai Hind.
Present us at this moment. So let's welcome the Nativity.
One picture of the students. And the camera can just put up. Okay? Okay, my camera. Where's my camera? Okay, I'll put up this selfie. Okay? Come. Selfie there. 1, 2, and 3.
Snem Chajar Kandai Spanyo Pung Riu Kadon Kaying School Hangne Daka Skum Bat Kumtang ila Kot Yaka Parents De How Bunai No Bombar Kat Sautarik Laingot Ki Kanarit Bat Inegi Laingot Kanarit Uwe Ubaruspa Arngut Ki Dei Ki Baduk Bat Habakila Poi Hakata Ka State Kum Kane Kam Dei Kum Kane Ka State Kendeu Bat kumta ngimdon soundbox ngimdon AA henry ka soundbox jongki kadai ke shuntur bat clear wai kini ki knarit bat kata ka jingru wai ngakan maudu na marba manga bat ka kiming ela hikaya kata ka jingru wai bat ya kata ka jingatu khana bandru wai apdeng ki kimi ki pa kane ka jingru wai kong Jesus, my everything. Kini ki kena kira ruai. Mencua kilong kemi kilong pajong i parents de kilong tangkat ne. Kat ne hang ne. Bat haba ki ruai kini ki kena. Kalapan ketik dia kada nuot jong ki. Donru ki kimi ki kepaki bajau umat jor-jor. Namar kiyo i kata jing ruai jong ki kena. Balai ngapan kan mau i kane ngayo i kitu kena hang ne manta. Uau day ka jing sedang jong ka jing jok. Bat kumta kala urlong manta kasni. Habangi penkut bat penhiari ya kane kalama naga banta ka jing khang no lane ka jing penhap perda ya ka jing dap san posnem jong kane ka school. Ngarul haune usnem hi ngaladap san posnem naka banta ka jing shongkha jonga bat ngilare khe hau ar pusan tari jong bunai January tena mar kata utai runga te da utai jongka golden jubilee.
Students of Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukarwan and all present here, I stand here to welcome our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad Kaei to this prestigious occasion of our school, the closing celebration of Golden Jubilee of Nativity Higher Secondary School Maukarwan. We are grateful to you, sir, for your kind help and support. Especially, thank you for being with us today for the first time in our school. We are honored by your presence to have you here in our school. Therefore, I request all the people, please give a round of applause to welcome our Chief Guest, Chief Minister. Archbishop of Shillong, Most Reverend Hubert D. Rosario, who was a man of vision and mission, who planted the seed of foundation of an educational institution 50 years ago for the backward people of that time of this area known as the Maram people. Once we Maram people being looked down by the people who were living in Shillong and other places. But today we are being looked up by the same people for various things, especially for personal, due to the presence of this institution. Today we have grown. The institution has produced more than 28 clever priests, especially Fra James Anderson Simli, who is